Timeout muna tayo mga kapuso para balikan ang mga maaksyong kaganapan sa ikalawang linggo ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball. This is our Week in Review.
Experience for the young Habakon.
Nung nakaraang Biyernes, winalis ng Benilde Lady Blazers ang San Beda upang makamit ang kanilang pangatlong panalo sa torneo. Bumidan na naman sa scoring si Mitch Gamit na gumawa ng 13 puntos. Sa sumunod na laro, nagtagumpay ang LPU laban sa San Sebastian pagkatapos ng 4 na sets. Pinangunahan ni Joan Duguna ang atake ng Lady Pirates sa kanyang 20 points. On Saturday, the Letran Lady Knights shocked the league with a straight sets victory against the highly touted Perpetual Lady Altas. Gia Makilang had another impressive outing with 19 markers.
Into her own hands. How important every match is.
In the match that followed, Arellano sent Mapua crashing back down to earth in dominant fashion.
Backline players unable to pick it up. Kayara. Soan is right there to track it down. Estoque. Puts it down.
Sunday's matches saw Benilde pick up another win, this time against the JRU Lady Bombers.
Definitely attacking the heart of this defense inside the front line.
Afterwards, the first 5-set match of the season occurred as the San Beda Lady Red Spikers outlasted the San Sebastian Lady Stags. Rookie sensation Angel Habakon exploded for 25 points to earn the sweet victory.
It's high risk, high reward.
LPU kept their unbeaten record intact after repelling Arellano in the first match on Tuesday.
Jonah Dolorito. Oh, service ice!
The Lady Pirates were led by powerful spiker Jonah Dolorito, who finished with 20 points. Letran also remained unbeaten by overcoming a tough EAC squad in a match that went 4 sets.
Martin, cross court.
Yen Martin led the way for the Lady Knights with 16 markers.
That was a 5-0 start para sa Letran.
Nung Miyerkules naman, pinahirapan ng San Sebastian ang Benilde. Umabot ng 4 na sets ang laro pero hindi pa rin nagbago ang resulta. Panalo na naman ang Benilde.
She's up for the challenge and she's gonna make sure she's at that point.
Pagkatapos noon, tinalo ng Perpetual ang Mapua 3-1 sa panguna ng reigning MVP na si Mary Rose Dapol na nagpakawala ng 20 points. At ayan po mga kapuso, ang mga nangyari sa Week 2 ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball. Manatiling nakatutok sa GTV para sa iba pang mga highlights at updates sa inyong new heroes of the game.